Getting a baby boy. The best method is here. There are a number of theories surrounding this highly debated topic. One of the theory is that you can deliver a baby boy by changing the position during intercourse, and this will help you increase a chance of delivering a baby boy. Another theory is that you can deliver a baby boy by having intercourse during ovulation day, intercourse timing. We start with first method of changing the intercourse style. First, in human being, the gender of the baby is determined by chromosome. Females have two 20 chromosome, and males have one X chromosome and one Y chromosome. So all the eggs in female contain X chromosomes. Exactly 1/2 of the male product from the male contains X chromosome, and 1/2 contains Y chromosome. After intercourse, if 1/2 of X chromosome fertilizes the egg, the baby formed is female. Similarly, if the half of chromosome fertilizing the egg contains Y chromosome, the baby formed is a boy. Since half of the male product have Y chromosome, half of the babies formed will be male. Some couples you have children of the same gender, that makes you believe that the male produce one chromosomes of one gender. This is not true. Such men have equal amounts of male products that produce different gender, male or female. Even if we do IVF, on the male products it will still come out 50% boys and 50% girls. Let's look closely on X chromosome and Y chromosome. As you can see, the Y chromosome, that's responsible for getting a baby boy, is much small in size compared to X chromosome responsible for getting a girl. The X chromosome for a girl is bigger. Because the Y chromosome responsible for making a baby boy is smaller. Theories have it that this makes the male products carrying the Y chromosome to swim faster, but not survive differently. However, there is no scientific evidence that Y and X chromosomes swim at different speeds, therefore we cannot base on it. Another method suggested is the theory of having intercourse close to ovulation day, or your intercourse position release the male products close to opening of the womb, uterus. Then the faster male forming Y chromosome will be more likely to reach the egg and form a baby boy. 3 studies have tried to test these theories. The first 2 studies came with confusing results. The first study said having intercourse near ovulation day increases chances of getting a baby boy. And another similar study said having intercourse near ovulation decreased chances of getting a baby boy. These studies had numerous problems that limited their accuracy. However, in another more perfect study published in the New England Journal of Medicine about timing of intercourse in relation to ovulation day, the study involved 200 couples. In this study, the couples were recording when they had intercourse in relation to their ovulation days. The results shows that timing of intercourse on ovulation day had no influence whether the couple had a baby boy. Another study looked at using intrauterine insemination. In this method, the male products are placed directly into the uterus at the time of ovulation. If you consider what we have just discussed earlier about having intercourse on ovulation day, in this method we should have expected 100% chances of getting a boy baby, since the male products were inserted on ovulation day and moreover directly into the womb or uterus. Surprisingly, in all studies conducted, all babies born using this method, they had 50% chances of being a boy and 50% chances of being a girl. In other words, timing ovulation and position of intercourse did not improve the chances of getting a baby boy. If changing position of intercourse and also timing the ovulation day didn't work, then this is what you should do. 1. The only method you are guaranteed to get a baby boy is IVF method, where you can test whether a baby formed is a boy or a girl. 2. In conclusion, since we have seen that timing ovulation days and intercourse position have 50 to 50% of getting a baby boy, you can still try it out. Caution: don't believe in testimonials on website or social media videos. Remember, about 50% of babies are going to be boys. As any method designed to increase the chance to have a boy will work 50% accuracy. Thanks for watching this channel where evidence-based science take lead.